So here's a pair of the JLab Go Pop Plus earbuds, and you have an issue where only one side is working, the other side is not, okay? So let me go ahead and pull these earbuds out first, okay? Now when these are in the pairing mode, you'll know when one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, and the other one is a solid white light, okay? So let me wait a second here. Okay, so this one is blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, but this earbud here, it's not a solid white light, so I know that these are not connected. So let me do a manual reset. Okay, because if you pair this to a phone now or a TV or whatever, only one side's going to work, the other side's not going to work, all right? So let's put the buds back into the case here, and we're going to do a manual reset, okay? So close the lid. Now I'm going to open it. Now let's just take the buds out and then drop them back in the case, and now we're going to tap the buds 7 times on each side, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it should blink blue 4 times, okay? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to pull them out, and now we just manually reset them. It's going to go back into pairing mode, and then one's going to be blinking blue, white, and now this one's going to be solid. Now if I connect to my phone or my TV, both of these should be working. Pretty simple.